You have your Git integration done to your workspace. You can see source control on the right. I have created this new branch for my workspace. Let's go now to my Azure DevOps environment and then click on it. You guys see here that I have my main, but I'll go to my branch 0002. And then whatever I do in here, it's going to show up now in my Azure DevOps environment. So Lakehouse, let's create a new Power BI dataset. And then in here, let's select the table athlete, events, medals, and create a dataset out of it. So we have here the dataset. I'm just going to rename it to a familiar name so that we can see it on the Azure DevOps side also. So medals dataset, new report, and then on the report side, let's not go Da Vinci here. Let's just create a table with a little bit of data so that we can see everything that we just to see a table, okay? So let's give it a name, medals, report, so that we can recognize it clearly. So trial number 2, save it. And then if I go to now to my workspace, you guys will see that I have 2 uncommitted new items to my workspace, a data set and also a report. Source control points that out immediately, and if you hover over the green icon, it's gonna say added. So you just select both of them, commit, and then, of course, write a message. That's the best practice, right? So creation of dataset and report, commit. And then while you wait, once this is completed, okay, it's completed. Let's go to our Azure DevOps environment. You see that now I have in my branch, let's go to branch 0002. Nothing has changed, but if I go to my main, you see that I have already pull request icon suggestion. So I can create a pull request out of the changes that I made and merge this into the main. Let me just add here a few things more for medals and athletes. And then I can add reviewers, work items from my Azure board, Azure Scrum board. If I go here on next, no merge conflicts, that's good. I can add comments. And the way I like to do this here, it's just complete and also to make it tidy to delete the branch. So let me complete this. And then I like to delete the branch. I don't know how Microsoft's going to suggest this to be a best practice, but this is how I'm doing right now. So completed. And then these are all merged. If I go to my repos, you see that in my main now, I have on Fabric Trial 2 new folders, one for dataset and one for reports in the Meadows report, okay? So you get to see here all of the new Timdo language folders with the new description of the models and reports. And if you go back to your workspace, you see 2 new things. That the 2 new items, they're synced to your main branch.